Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to do ranking in Stata, and we are going to rank according to that total score. Ranking, it is simply knowing who is the first, who is the second, and who's the last. It may be according to marks, where someone with the highest score is the first and someone with the lowest score is the last. So let's start right away. So to rank our total score, we shall write EGEN. Then the variable we're going to create is rank total. That's the name I've decided to give mine. You can give yours in any name, equal to rank. Then in two brackets, want to rank the total score. Close brackets, enter. And we can see in our variable window, we have a variable rank total created. So we shall browse to see what is created. So when we come here in our data editor window, we can see that someone with 135 is given 1, and then someone with 252 is the 18th person. So remember, according to here, we have 18 participants. So we are able to see who is first and who is last. But according to this ranking, it is given to us in ascending order, where the person with the least marks is given the first position and someone with the highest is given the last position. So how do we rank in descending order? We want someone with the highest marks to be given the first position. So let's go back to our command window. So to rank in descending order, write EGEN. We want to generate another ranking but in descending order. We are going to say rank total descending, because remember we don't want to give a same variable name to similar to the variable name we gave to the other rank. Automatically Stata will not accept that. So that's why we are trying to make the name different and at the same time meaningful. So we shall say okay, then rank, then open brackets. This time round, to make a difference, we are going to put a minus sign before we put total score. That means we want ranking in descending order, where the person with the highest marks is given the first position. So we shall do total score and then close brackets, enter. As you can see, we have a new variable rank total descending. Then we shall browse. So when we come to our results, we can see that this was ascending order, where the person with the highest marks was given the last position, but now has become the first in our descending order. And then the person with the lowest marks is given the last position. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you learned something. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.